Ustadh, please make dua for children as I'm being tested in their deen. My dua is with you, sister. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make your children righteous. Don't give up, inshallah ta'ala. Be consistent with them. Even if you feel like your children are not listening to you and they're playing around and they're on the streets, just always, whenever you see them, first of all, make a lot of dua for them. Wallahi, the mother's dua is so powerful. Mums, you have to realize, even if you see your children going astray, make dua for them. Make dua for them. Number 2, advise them. You don't know when it's going to gush out. You don't know when it's going to gush out. That thoughts and the advices that you used to give them. So keep making dua for them at night. And also, I remember a brother I saw, he started practicing after being on the streets for a long time. So I asked him, what made you start practicing? And he said, one night I woke up. He said, one night I woke up after having run away. On the streets, he was scared of some group of people that were going to attack him or something like that. And his own friends betrayed him. And he felt like he could trust nobody. So he came home that night, he slept, and at night time he overheard his mother making dua for him. He heard his mother's dua in the other room making for him. So he went close to listen to it, and he realized the only person who cares about him and loves him and doesn't have a hidden agenda is his mother. And he goes, that's when I realized the only person who loves me is the person I hurt the most. I hurt the most. And that was a wake-up call for him. So Allah Ta'ala, the hearts of the people are between the two fingers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Always make dua. Always make dua. Inshallah ta'ala.